Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Here are all the 2025 CAF Award winners. African Footballer of the Year. The winner is Achraf Hakimi of PSG in Morocco, who had an outstanding season with PSG, where he won a quadruple with his team, namely the Champions League, the Ligue 1, French Super Cup, and UEFA Super Cup, beating Mohamed Salah and Victor Osimhen to the crown. And Women's African Footballer of the Year, Gizlani Chebak of Morocco. Men's Club of the Year, Pyramids FC. Men's Coach of the Year, Bubista of Cape Verde, who recently qualified Cape Verde to their first World Cup. Women's National Team of the Year, Nigeria. Men's Team of the Year, Morocco Under 20. Men's Interclub Player of the Year, Fistin Mayele of Pyramids. Women's Goalkeeper of the Year, Chiamaka Nadozi of Nigeria. Men's Goalkeeper of the Year, Yassine Bounou of Morocco. Women's Young Player of the Year, Doha El Madani of Morocco. Men's Young Player of the Year, Otmane Mama. Goal of the Year, Clement Mzizi of Young Africans. Women's Referee of the Year, Samira Nabada. Women's Assistant Referee of the Year, Tabara Mboji of Senegal. Men's Referee of the Year, Omar Abdul Kadir of Somalia. Men's Assistant Referee of the Year, Liban Abdul Razak of Djibouti. Those are all the CAF 2025 award winners. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this award? That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.